almost there. You will see him in literally less than a minute.
You don't know who I'm messaging.
Shut up. You've got that girly grin on your face. I know exactly who it is.
Don't be mean.
Oh, what? Me? Mean? What, like this?
Oh, no, Preston. Give it back.
Oh, I knew it. You're messaging Geoff Middleton. Oh my God, Tamara.
Shut up.
Look, this guy's gonna use you for sex and then dump you.
You don't know that. Just shut up.
It isn't gonna end well. Trust me.
The game of King Cup. I'll just tell you whatever happens whenever you pick up the card. You ready?
Well, let's just get started before it's grow and die.
Seriously, dude?
Yeah, I'm not angry, I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed.
King for a king.
No, I don't really talk.
Smell that?
9. No, that's 2.
Yeah, man, it was one of those things. You just like
Another drink?
Thanks, Geoff.
You are shitting me.
What's your name again?
Geoff.
Come on. Just a bit of fun.
Geoff.
Come on.
Geoff, get off me.
Just relax.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
What the fuck, Tamara? What the hell happened?
He tried to force me and I couldn't stop him. I panicked. I didn't know what to do, so I hit him with a China cat.
How hard did you hit him?
I don't know, I just swung it.
Tamara, I can't find a pulse.
What are you talking about? He can't.
Can't find a pulse, okay? He's fucking dead. Shit. Hey.
So what do we do? Do we call an ambulance?
Oh yeah, if you want to go to fucking jail. Shit. Okay. There's only one thing we can do. You alright? Yeah. Okay, we have to be quick about this, okay? If we're really fast and really lucky, no one will see us, alright? Come on. Just stop being such a pussy about it, come on.
Oh my god.
Come on, lift him. Lift him. Hey, grab that shovel.
Shovel?
Just grab it.
Yo! Sup? That King's Cup did it. It fucking did it! I don't even know. Holy fuck. What happened to him?
Nothing. He slipped. We're just giving him a lift home.
No. You're way too drunk to drive. I'll drive. Is that my shovel?
No?
Okay, we have to put him in here.
You nuts? No way.
All right. You want people to see him like this?
Of course not.
Well then.
Hey! That is my shovel.
I don't even believe it. So what do we do now?
Now? Now we find somewhere to bury him. Hey, don't you trust me? What the f is that?
What was what?
Ah, fuck, what the f— Did you hear that one?
Holy shit!
Fuck, I think he's alive in there.
You said he was dead!
Hey, I'm not a fucking doctor.
I should check.
What'd you do that for? Oh my God, Preston!
I don't know.
Oh God, Geoff!
I don't know.
Oh God, Tamara, if he wasn't dead before, I'm sure he is now.
Jesus, Preston.
Oh, I think I'm gonna be sick. Oh.
Preston, everything is going to be all right.
I don't think anything's gonna be all right.
Look, we'll just do like you said. We'll dump the body where no one will find it, and everyone will think he just ran off.
It's gonna be the weirdest night of my life. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Shit! Maybe we should just let him out. He won't even know it's us. We could just pop the boot and he'll get out and then we'll drive away and he won't even have a clue.
Are you fucking insane? Of course he knows it was us. He saw us. And then you hit him with a fucking shovel.
Maybe he won't say anything.
You want to bargain the rest of your life on that? Oh, fucking hell! Oh my God, it's just like out of a fucking horror movie. So, what do you think?
What is there to think? I don't want to think about this ever again. So, pinky swear, we never, ever, ever say a word about this ever again.
Pinky swear.
You know.
Let's get home, yeah? When we wake up, it'll just be a bad hangover.
I saw the sun today. You know, things aren't that bad. Yeah, I woke to the sun today. Nobody's in the ground. Not a scream, no, not a sound. Nothing I could complain about. So why do I feel this way?